How to appear offline on WhatsApp even when online. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, right? And of course, it will lead you here to your chat section. Under your chats, on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. You will see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. I want you to tap on settings there. And then here on settings, what I want you to do next is to go to your privacy here. So under privacy, it will look like this. Now, what I want you to focus is you will see last seen and online there, right? You just have to tap on last seen and online. And who can see my last seen is you may want to set it to nobody. Then who can see when I am online, then same as last seen. So since we've set it to nobody, then no one can see you last seen. So just wait it there, nobody here, and just toggle off the read receipts there to not let them show that you have read the messages. And basically that is how you appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and give us some thumbs up to show your support and for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.